Good morning, everybody. Today is Dyno Day. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It is a blustery November morning, but you know what? That's horsepower weather, right? Today we are on our way to Mustang Magic in Deer Park, New York for a Dyno Day. And if you're not familiar with what a Dyno Day is, it's just cars one after the other going on the chassis dynamometer and seeing how much rear wheel horsepower they have. Now, I've been going to Mustang Magic for Dyno Days. It's got to be 20 plus years, and I'm showing my age, right? But it's always a good time, so today should be no different. I am not putting the 99 on the rollers. I'll save that for another time. Today is just going to be hanging out, filming, checking out some badass Mustangs, and just having a good time. So, let's head on down the road. So we are here at Mustang Magic, and there's a few cars here already. One is strapped on a dyno. Let's take a look around and see what we got outside. Then we're gonna head into the dyno room. So I'm back home now, just pulled the car in the garage, had a great time at Dyno Day at Mustang Magic, and a big thank you to Joe and LJ over at Mustang Magic, gracious hosts, had a really good time, thanks for the pizza, lots of beautiful cars, and some were making some ridiculous amounts of power. It's always good to see a lot of the familiar faces and met a couple of new people as well. Always good to hang with the Strong Island Stangs crew, and thanks to them for putting this together. I have to tell you, there were a lot of cars, there were a lot of people, but they was incredibly organized and had a really, really great time. And I can't wait till the next one, hopefully in the spring. I'm sure Strong Island Stangs will be doing more events, car shows, dyno days, and get-togethers, and hopefully 2021 will be so much better than 2020. So if you are in the New York area, I'll put a link down below to the Facebook group for Strong Island Stangs. Definitely check them out. They do some really great events, and they're just good people and a lot of fun to hang out with. I'm also going to put a link down below to Mustang Magic's website. They are a Mustang shop here on Long Island, and you've probably heard of them because they've been around forever. And it's just a great time when you go down there, and Dyno Day is always just a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do me a favor, hit that like button, or better yet, click that subscribe button so you get all the latest content here on the channel. Well, I'm gonna go head inside, but thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.